The Doldrums Corridor is a mechanism that we've put in place to essentially stop the yachts getting stuck in the doldrums. The doldrums is an area of low pressure, just generally sits north of the equator, and is an area of very, very fickle wind, can be completely windless over a sort of 300-mile span. And what we've found historically is that if the fleet gets stuck in the doldrums, it becomes very difficult for us to work out ETAs and setups and supporters and all of that sort of thing. The entire Doldrums Corridor is 10 degrees, it's 13 degrees north to 3 degrees north. And within that, you can elect to use your engine for 6 degrees, 6 of those degrees. Once you've declared that you're going to start your engine, you're not allowed to exceed your 6 degrees from your start position until 60 hours has elapsed. And as much as people think, well, why are we motoring on a sailing race? It firstly stops the boats drifting around in the doldrums for long periods of time. But actually in the kind of mechanism that we've put in place, it adds actually quite an interesting tactical element, and gets the fleet through the doldrums and on their way south. When you start getting down to that area, there's a lot of decision making based around where should I start my engine? Is it even possible to sail right through and not make a declaration and not use my motor? And where do I start and where do I end, and how long will I have to stay in there, and all sorts of decisions to be made. I think unanimously throughout the fleet, once you actually get into the doldrums proper, is the kind of feeling like, wow, I'm glad we're not sitting here for a week on end waiting for wind. It's incredibly humid and hot, and it's actually a huge bonus to be able to get yourself through that area and carry on.